Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. It's time for a daily Gemini Capsule update. What's a Gemini Capsule in brief? Gemini is a light, fast, and fun and private internet protocol. It provides you with the most basic service you can have. Well, let's just take a real quick look at my Gemini Capsule right now, okay? So here you go. This is one post to my Gemini Capsule. What you see here is you got three levels of headers. Hash one, hash two, and hash three. This is a one first level header, which is a single hashtag. This is a two level header, I believe, two or maybe three. This is a bulletin list. This is pre-formatted text. This is an external link to a video associated with this. This is a link to two plots. This is part two of this script, and resources and comments. Okay, in this one simple block here, that folks, this is all you get. There's no embedded links. There's no. If you want to go to video, you have to open up a set. Open up a separate program. Just like let's just take a look here. What I mean by that. Click on this. Opens up YouTube on. Come down here. Open up a. That's interesting. Hmm. Okay, that's interesting. Apparently, at some point, I deleted a. Here it is. Okay, and there's the plot. Okay, probably should go back and fix this one because I'm not quite sure what happened to it, honestly. Okay, so that's really all there is to it, and more links here. I mean, that's in a nutshell. That's Gemini. Okay, now let's take a look at the R code for tonight. We load our favorite ggplot2, scales, tidyr, and dplyr. We read in some data, vegetable consumption per capita by country and year. Rename the columns. Uh, then we do a plot of the world data only. Then we pull out the top five. Notice this function right here, top N5. So we go pull out first. We go pull out the last year, which is 2017. Then we're pulling out the top five countries with the highest per capita consumption of vegetables. Then we convert it to a data frame, and then we plot it. Now this is a little more interesting. See, you can plot the bottom five. Well, the only difference between this code here is this -5 right there. The negative says bottom. Okay, so let's just go and take a look at the plots here. Okay, this right here is the first plot, the world vegetable consumption per capita by year. And the good news, of course, is this is actually increasing. Okay, more vegetables is very good, is much better for us. Now this is the top five countries in terms of per capita consumption for vegetables. China, of course, is number one with over 350 kilograms per year per person. Armenia, Albania, Pakistan, and Tunisia. Interesting, huh? Now let's take a look at one more. This is the bottom five. The bottom five goes from about 7 up to 15. Ethiopia, Sao Tome and Principe, Chad, Solomon Islands, and Burkina Faso. Okay, and I've already uploaded these plots to the system. Like I say, this is a very quick plot to give some very quick data. Okay. Now we could, of course, do this. Now let's just call it quits for right here for tonight. Okay, so that gives you a walkthrough. All my all my Gemini content is just kept on a GitHub repository. Okay, right here. Okay, couple plots. 2 plots, an R code, 3 plots, some R code, all right, and the data. All right, so now let's come back over here to gemlog.blue, add a post, consumption, worldwide vegetable consumption for okay. Let's just also call this part 1. Okay. Let's come back over here, cut and paste this all in. And see how this looks. So worldwide vegetable consumption per capita, 2061 to 2017. There's a data source that should be a link, but it's not. Link. Here's some code. Let's see how the plots work. That's good. There's that. Well, I need to do something back. Vegetables. Worldwide, where are vegetables per capita? Come back down here and fix this one down here. Let's just reload this. And there we have it. Let's just do one more thing here. I'll come back. I'm going to conclude this video right here, but I'll upload this video. Then I'll include a link to it as a walkthrough in the final code. All right.